Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is x times square root of x is equals to 1, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. And now we move towards the solution of this problem, and here the very first step we are going to do is first we need to remove the square root sign, and for this we will apply squaring on both of the sides. So when we take squaring, it will be written as x times of square root of x and its whole square is equals to 1 square. And now further in the next step, we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and we get here x square into square root of x and its whole square is equals to, this is 1 square, and 1 square becomes here 1. And in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we get x square times this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here x only, and this is equals to 1. And further we have x square times x becomes x cubed is equals to 1. And now we move 1 from right hand side to the left hand side, and we get x cubed minus 1 is equals to 0. And now here you see that x cubed minus 1, so we write this minus 1 as 1 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a cubed minus b cubed is equals to a minus b times of a square plus ab plus b square. So according to this nice formula, you see here the base of this term is our a and the base of this term is our b. So we substitute the value of a and b into the below formula. So here our above equation is written as in this form. So when we use this formula here, it will becomes x minus 1 times of x square plus x times of 1 plus 1 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x minus 1 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So here we move the term minus 1 to the right hand side, and we get the value of x is equals to plus 1. So this is the first root of the given equation. And now here, in order to get the other roots, we need to solve this quadratic equation. So in order to solve this quadratic equation, we need to use here the nice quadratic formula. So in order to apply the quadratic formula, we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b equals to 1, and c equals to also 1. So we state the quadratic formula as x is equals to minus b and plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b and c in this formula, and this will be written as x is equals to, here we have minus b, the value of b is 1, so it will becomes minus 1 plus minus square root of b square, b is 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 1, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is also equals to 1. And now in the next step we need a more simplifications here, and we get x is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square. 1 square becomes 1 minus 4 times of 1 equals to 4, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 equals to 2. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications here, and we get minus 1 plus minus square root of, here you see that this is 1 minus 4, and 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. So further in the next step we need to focus on this radical term. So here we just apply this radical sign separately on both of these two values, and we get minus 1 plus minus square root of 3 into square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 2. And further, you know about that when negative sign appears inside the square root sign, so this will becomes here iota. So we write it as minus 1 plus minus square root of 3 times of iota, and it is divided by 2. So here finally we have there are three roots of the given equation, in which the first root is real root, and we have x1 is equals to 1, and the second and third roots are complex roots, and these roots are x2 is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 plus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. This is the second root, and x3 is equals to minus 1 minus square root of 3 times of iota, and it is divided by 2. So these are the final three roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.